Login loop error on Petal Fix. If you've ever tried to log into your Petal account and found yourself trapped in a frustrating login loop where you enter your credentials, click sign in, and instantly get bounced back to the login screen, you're not alone. Most people think it's an issue with their password, but here's the surprising truth. It's usually a local data or cookie problem on your device, not a Petal system failure. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the Petal app completely. On iPhone, swipe it away from the app switcher. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Petal, and tap Force Stop. Then, clear your cache and data. On Android, choose Storage and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This automatically removes stored data that can cause looping errors. If you're using the Petal web portal, clear your browser's cookies and cache. These files often contain outdated login tokens that prevent the system from verifying your session properly. Next, make sure you're using the latest app version. Go to your App Store or Google Play and update if needed. Outdated versions can't sync with Petal's latest security updates, which triggers login errors. If that still doesn't work, try switching your network. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Some networks block the secure cookies or redirects Petal uses for authentication. Lastly, disable autofill or password managers for one login attempt. Manually type your username and password. Autofill sometimes adds invisible spaces or outdated tokens. Once you log in successfully, everything should load normally and the loop will disappear. So, if your Petal app keeps looping, don't panic. Clear your cache, refresh your connection, and ensure your app is updated. With these quick steps, you'll be back in control of your credit management and spending insights in minutes.